there will be a long-term change in the RV business. Forget about the rumble of a diesel engine and the stench of gasoline. The travel of the future will be clean, silent, and powered by ingenuity. This is the 2026 BYD Motorhome, a revolutionary all-electric vehicle that combines state-of-the-art technology with contemporary lifestyle. With a powerful, quiet electric drivetrain and a sleek, aerodynamic body designed for maximum efficiency, this is a vision of sustainable adventure. Because it is built on BYD's state-of-the-art e-platform and is powered by their unique Blade battery, it offers an incredible range. With an estimated range of over 400 miles, this vehicle is more than just a camper. It's a zero-emission dwelling on wheels that can go you farther than you could have ever imagined. At first glance, the cockpit looks more like a spacecraft than a camper van. The dashboard, a study in minimalist design, is dominated by the enormous rotating touchscreen display that controls every aspect of the automobile. Everything, including navigation and climate control, is present, simple to use, and fully customizable. A small digital panel behind the steering wheel displays important driving information, and you can manage everything with voice commands and gesture controls without taking your eyes off the road. The result is a tidy, clutter-free space that prioritizes technology and utilization. The BYD Motorhome's living room is the ultimate mix of exquisite beauty and practical efficiency. You may alter the area to fit your needs because the arrangement is completely flexible. To create extra room, the sofa can slide out, the dining table can be folded away, and ambient LED lighting can be voice-activated to change color and create the perfect mood. The large panoramic windows let in a plenty of natural light, which makes the cabin feel spacious and inviting. Because each surface is composed of high-quality, eco-friendly materials, style and environmental consciousness may coexist. A quiet and serene bedroom is tucked away in the rear. The main bed is a comfortable, full-sized mattress that is perfect for travel. The surrounding space is intended for relaxation and features built-in storage that is skillfully hidden to maintain the minimalist aesthetic. A wonderful view of the stars is provided by a large skylight above you, giving your nighttime stay a very memorable experience. It is a quiet sanctuary where you may relax and recharge away from the bustle of the day. The restroom is a testament to clever engineering, looking more like a five-star hotel than an RV. It has a modern water-saving shower system, a sleek vanity with a designer sink, and a spotless ceramic toilet. The space is spacious and useful, with integrated lighting and smart ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. The use of durable, high-quality materials makes this space both fashionable and practical for travel. The kitchen in the BYD Motorhome is designed for today's chef. The kitchen is cleverly equipped with top-of-the-line appliances that are powered by the main battery. An electric induction stove, a convection oven, and a large refrigerator with a freezer are all included. The smart storage choices and the firm, smooth surface of the countertops make sure that every pot, pan, and pantry item has a place. You may prepare anything from a quick snack to a fine dining meal here with the convenience of a normal home.